Hey guys, so this is Chris Redfield. So today we're just unboxing Resident Evil 4. So there's a game cover. There's a back there. One of the history. Oh, one of the highest rated games in history. So. There's a chainsaw person there. So this is immature blood and gore. It's a violent language. So this is the Capcom games. So this is a disc. So this is the game right there. So I'm looking for it. U.S. Agent Leon S. Kennedy must admit the kidnapping of the president and daughter. His search brings him to ruin the village where he encounters her. Hordes of horrors and uncover who or what. So I don't know why I'm unboxing this, so we got another surprise for you guys, so that's a cool game, so subscribe to my channel and goodbye.